guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this cool dusty rose toned makeup look. It's my best friend's sister's 21st birthday today, so I thought I'd just take you with me whilst I get ready and do my makeup. We're actually going out for a nice meal in a little bit, which is really exciting because if you know me, I am such a big foodie. I love to go out and eat. This is like something that I do to pass time. I just love going out and trying out new places to eat and stuff. We're actually going up to Yorkshire. We're driving up to, I think it's Bradford or Leeds, I'm not sure, one of those places. I don't know what restaurant it is either. But anyway, what do you guys think? I don't really tend to use rosy tones. I don't use cool tones. I stick to like my neutrals, but I love this look. I created this look using the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Oh my god, I love it. If you love the Modern Renaissance palette, then you will definitely love the Soft Glam palette. The colours that you don't have in the Modern Renaissance, the Soft Glam palette makes up for, if that makes sense. You've got the rosy colours, and for people like me who stick to like the neutrals, it's sort of a really nice way to try something new without being intimidated by the colours. I'm so happy with the way this look has turned out. I know it's marketed as a bridal palette, and I can see why. These colours are so pretty. They would make for a beautiful bridal look. Anyway, so if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I've already done my base and cream contoured and done my eyebrows, and all the information will be in my description box below. So I'm taking the ABH, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just blending this into my crease very softly and lightly, as this will be our transition shade from the bold colours on the lid to the brow bone. And then I'm taking the shade Dusty Rose. This is such a beautiful shade. It's a shade that I don't typically tend to use, but I've taken this slightly below the burnt orange shade on the crease. I'm sort of bringing this downwards towards my lid. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sultry, which is this beautiful foiled rosy shade, and using a flat brush, I'm just patting this onto my lid, gradually building it up until I'm happy with the payoff. And then using the sharp end of a tube, a moisturizing tube, I'm just blending in the shade Mulberry into the outer third part of the eye. And then I'm taking the shade Cyprus Umber, and I'm just deepening the outer third where we applied the mulberry shade. And then using a fluffy brush, I'm just blending it out, and I keep doing this as I build the colour up in the outer third of the eye. Next, I'm taking the shade Tempura, which is this beautiful, almost like pinky silver toned eyeshadow, and I've just highlighted my brow bone and inner corner. And then using the same shades that we used on the lid, so Dusty Rose, Burnt Orange and Cyprus Umber, I'm using a really small pencil brush and applying that to the lower lash line, just so that it all sort of ties in together. Next, I'm taking this black gel eyeliner pencil from W7 Cosmetics. It's the first time I've tried anything from W7 Cosmetics, but I really liked this. I was so impressed. It went on really buttery and smooth. I'm applying this to my lash line, my waterline and my upper lash line, because I want to create quite a soft, smoky look. So using the smoky eyeliner brush, I'm just smoking the eyeliner out, before using my L'Oreal Paradise Extatic mascara. I'm not going too heavy with the mascara, as I did apply false lashes. These are my favourite lashes. These are the Superdrug Natural 14 eyelashes. To sculpt my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow, and I'm using the contour shade. I didn't realise how contoured I looked at this point, but it's such a beautiful shade if you've got light to medium skin tones, even fair skin tones to be fair. So I'm just taking that across my cheekbones, jawline and temple. I didn't apply too much to my forehead because I have a really small forehead. And then taking my 106 Zoeva Fluffy Powder Brush, I'm just using that to diffuse the contour so that it doesn't look very harsh. And then I'm taking the Morphe Continuous Fixing Spray to set all of that in place. Next I'm taking my favourite highlighter. This is the NARS highlighter in Hot Sand, and I'm applying this to the very tops of my cheekbones, my temples, down the centre of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little on my chin as well for that super highlighted glow. I did put this in my inner corners as well just to make them pop a little bit more. Next I'm taking the Primark lip pencil in the shade number 10. I really like this lip pencil. It's so creamy and it reminds me of the Kylie lip pencils if you've tried them. So I've just used this to line my lips before going in with the STILA liquid lipstick, and I decided on the shade Perla, which goes really well with this rose toned makeup look. And we're done! Is it on? And that completes this week's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you guys do create this look, then please tag me on my Instagram handle, which is thatmaragirl. It will be here. I figured out how to do it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates, and hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time I upload my videos. How exciting is that? Join the Glam fam, whatever we call this. If you're watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. What do you think of this blazer, by the way? So this blazer is from Zara, and the crop top over here is from Mango, and I'm wearing it with some faux leather high-waisted jeans, black jeans, and I'm gonna stick on some heels, and that's my outfit look for today. I was feeling a little bit bold, so I went in with the diamante silver earrings, which glams everything up. As always, it's been lovely spending time with you all. I can't wait to catch up with you again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Mwah.